In this video, we will introduce the prep for AB-900, Microsoft 365 Copilot and Agent Administration Fundamentals. Core competencies for AB-900 candidates. Recommended experience for AB-900 candidates. AB-900 exam details. AB-900 exam breakdown. Effective preparation strategies. 1. Your organization has a Microsoft 365 subscription. Which two tasks can you perform by using the Exchange Admin Center? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Create a mail flow rule. B. Add a custom domain. C. Assign a Microsoft Exchange license. D. Create a shared mailbox. 2. Your company has a written compliance policy that requires all emails be retained for 7 years, and then permanently deleted. Which Microsoft Purview solution should you use? A. Information protection. B. Insider risk management. C. Data loss prevention. D. Data lifecycle management. 3. You need to create a Microsoft 365 Copilot agent that can create charts and visualizations based on a Microsoft Excel workbook. What should you configure for the agent? A. The Scrum Assistant template. B. The Customer Insights Assistant template. C. The Image Generator capability. D. The Code Interpreter capability. 4. You need to identify files and emails that contain Social Security numbers, SSNs, and credit card numbers. What should you use in the Microsoft Purview portal? A. Information Protection Reports. B. Data Explorer. C. Information Protection Policies. D. Activity Explorer. 5. Your organization has a Microsoft 365 subscription. All users are assigned a Microsoft 365 Copilot license. You need to prevent the users from generating images by using Copilot. What should you use? A. The Microsoft Defender portal. B. The Microsoft Purview portal. C. The Microsoft 365 Admin Center. D. The Microsoft Entra Admin Center. 6. Your organization has a Microsoft 365 subscription. Which two tasks can you perform by using the Exchange Admin Center? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Create a mail flow rule. B. Add a custom domain. C. Assign a Microsoft Exchange license. D. Create a shared mailbox. 7. Your company is evaluating Microsoft 365 Copilot pay-as-you-go billing instead of purchasing a Microsoft 365 Copilot license. In which scenario can pay-as-you-go billing apply? A. Generating a recap of a Microsoft Teams meeting. B. Using a custom agent that is grounded in work data. C. Performing multi-step reasoning by using the researcher agent. D. Using the AI assistant to edit a document in Copilot in Word. 8. Your organization has a Microsoft 365 E5 subscription. You need to prevent users from sharing corporate financial data to external users. What should you use? A. Retention labels. B. Data loss prevention, DLP, policies. C. Rote groups. D. Insider risk management policies. 9. Your organization has a Microsoft 365 subscription. You need to evaluate your organization's identity secure score. Which two factors affect the score? Each correct answer presents a complete the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. The number of global administrators. B. The SharePoint site permissions. C. The location of the users. D. Passwords that are never expired. 10. Your company plans to use Microsoft 365 Copilot. You need to provide a user with the ability to use Microsoft 365 Copilot, including the researcher and analyst agent. What should you use? A. The Microsoft Entra Admin Center. B. The Microsoft Purview Portal. C. The Microsoft Defender Portal. D. The Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.